This measures sound pressure levels. The measurements for SPLs are called decibels. These measurements, like temperatures, vary from low to high, numerically. For example, a sound level of about 0 decibels is about the same volume as a whisper. An average conversation is about 60 decibels. However, any sounds that are 85 decibels or higher can cause ear damage, depending on the length of exposure to the sound. In fact, the Guinness Book of World Records discontinued a category they once listed under loudest band because of concerns they had over people suffering ear damage. For example, a jackhammer and ambulance produce roughly 125 decibels, but it only takes 110 to 120 decibels to quickly cause hearing loss. Some of these bands, either listed or trying to get in, had levels listed between 117 to 140 decibels. One of these records was recorded at a distance of over 90 feet from the speakers at a concert. The final test we will be conducting on our athlete will be to see how sound distracts him. Let's go see what the clowns have for us. That's the wrong kind of horn. Use this instead. That had an effect. Let's see how a little crowd noise can distract our athlete. I knew this wasn't going to work. Whose idea was this anyway?